Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add products tabs on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it in. Then, from the left side, click on Add Apps. After that, click on the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type tabs. You'll see many options. Click on Trusted Product Tabs with AI. Now, click on Install and then click on Install again to confirm. After installation, select the heading type you want and click on Next. Then, choose the default tab title like Active or Inactive and enter the description you want to show. After that, click on Next again. Now, you'll see an option to enable the trusted tabs through the Shopify theme editor. Make sure to turn it on. Then, click on Save from the top right corner. After that, go back and click on Complete Onboarding. Here, choose the plan that fits your store. You can also continue with the free version. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Setup Product tabs. Then, select the heading type, default tab title, and choose to include that the first tab in the tabs block. After making your selection, click on Save in each section. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.